Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to talk about how I fixed my 1995 Oldsmobile Aurora. If you didn't know already, my Oldsmobile Aurora was out of service for about 4 months now due to a misfire. Today I'm going to show you how I fixed it. Hit that subscribe button and show your support to my channel. It has grown a lot and it's all thanks to you guys for your continuous support. Let's get right into it. By the way, my Lincoln MKZ is also fully fixed. No more check engine lights. More on that in the next video. The Aurora was having issues previously where it would misfire severely and puff out blue smoke. I thought it was the end of the road for it since I saw blue smoke. Blue smoke usually means that the engine is burning oil and maybe the piston ring is worn out, meaning a complete top-end rebuild. That's why I didn't want to play the guessing game and hired a mechanic to check out the issue. He put a borescope inside 2 of the cylinders to inspect the metal-to-metal contact or scoring, but found everything to be normal. Then he checked the spark plugs, and spark plugs was okay, and then we used a inline ignition coil tester to see if the coil packs were okay, and he found that one of the coil packs was bad and suspected that this is the main cause for the misfire. So today I'm going to swap out the bad coil pack and see if that solves the issue. The culprit is the far right one here, and we're going to take that one out and see if there's any change in the engine performance. And there's only 4 coil packs here. Each coil pack fires 2 cylinders. So let's get right to it. For this, you're going to need a new coil pack. I got this Hitachi coil pack for about 50 bucks Canadian. I do intend to replace all 4 coil packs in the future, but for now, I just want to see if this solves the bigger issue. Start off by removing the 2 spark plug wires. Just gently pull on them and they'll come right off. The coil pack itself is held by 2 732 size bolts. And you'll also need to remove this black piece atop here, and it's held up by a 10mm socket. So remove that. Once the 10mm bolt is removed, you can gently move this black piece out of the way, and we can start to remove the coil pack now. Here's a closer look at the coil packs. I believe these are the original coil packs because they have the cylinders, cylinder numbered on the coils. So this might be the original pack. They might be 30 years old, I don't know, but the new one does not have these numbers. So anyways, let's use our socket and take this out. I'm going to fast forward as I do it. Alright, here's a comparison of the new Hitachi coil pack and versus the original one. The only thing that I see is different is the lack of numbers on the new one, but it shouldn't be an issue. So let's go install this Hitachi coil pack and see if we can solve this misfire. Alright, so let's install the new coil pack. So I'm just going to fast forward as I do this. So just make sure you hand tight the bolts. And after you hand tight, you can put back the spark plug wires. It's going to fast forward as I do this. Once that is done, you can put this black piece back on again, which is held up by that 10mm. Again, just hand tight it, no need to go overboard. So now that we have the coil pack installed, it is the moment of truth. Let's see if we still have that misfire. So let's go start her right up and see how she sounds. Wow, no more misfiring. She's running so smooth now, I really can't believe it. Yeah, it's hard to tell on camera, but it is really smooth now. There's no vibration. Before, the engine would just vibrate. So I just can't believe the cause was just a coil pack. So let's go see if there's any blue smoke coming out of the tailpipe now. So, no blue smoke. I'm super happy now. The Aurora is back on the road. I'm going to drive for a couple more months, then put her into the garage for the winter. That's going to be it for today's video, folks. Hope you all enjoyed, and see you all next time.